What's going on, guys? Zach Klinger here with another Ranch Armor install guide. Today we are covering the Polaris Ranger 1000 Crew rooftop. This one's a relatively easy one. This guy's gonna be doing his own lighting package, so we're not gonna cover any of the electrical today. So we're gonna cover the 4 mounting points. As always, our roofs are sturdy and heavy, so please use friends to throw these things up there. It's no joke, man. These things are built to last like Duralast, all right? So without further ado, let's kind of get into it here. So like I said, we got 4 total mounting points in here. We have 2 in the rear, 1 here and 1 here. Remember, your bolt heads are gonna be facing down, threads are going to be going up. And if you want to look inside here, this kind of gives you a better idea of alignment. So you want to make sure that these inner square tubes are sitting in the ProFit portion of the frame here. Now let's move up to the front and I'll show you guys the other 2 mounting positions. So we got position 1 and position 2 here. Now these are going to be the OEM holes that are already existing in the ProFit frame. Same thing as the rear, bolt head down, threads are going up. So, and if you come to the front, you'll see where those threads are sticking up. And our hardware kit does have all the hardware for this. Now for the Polaris ProFit frames, we also do offer block off plates. Now for the open cabs, it's not necessary really to get them. However, it is nice because it does finish sealing up the open portions of your cab. Much like your OEM plastic roof that would taper down, obviously ours has that nice overhang on it. So what we do is we offer these block off plates here to seal up those big holes that are in your frame. Now it's not just the 3 in the front, we do have 1 solid rear one as well. This way you're not getting any sort of draft or rain coming in, and it kind of really just helps enclose the rest of it with the purchase of our rooftop. As always, if you guys got any other comments, concerns, complaints, or questions, please reach out to me. My email is on the website. You're not bothering me, I promise you. So yeah, as always, like, comment, subscribe. Have a good one.